Craving crispy shrimp without guilt? Let's do air fried shrimp in minutes.
First, let's take a shrimp in a bowl and add chili powder, salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, and mix them well all together. Let it rest for half an hour. Meanwhile, in a bowl, take some all-purpose flour, add some salt, add some water and mix it well without any lumps. Now let's take the masala coated shrimp and dip them in all-purpose flour and again coat them with breadcrumbs and keep them separately in a plate. Let's quickly finish all 3-step coating and make it ready for air frying. Let's place all the shrimp in the air fryer. We can spray some oil in this stage. Now let's set the air fryer in 400 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Ta-da! Our delicious high-protein air-fried shrimps are ready. This air fryer really helps me not standing in the kitchen for long hours. Also helps me to stay cool in summer. If you want to explore cool summer experience, I am sharing the air fryer link in the description. Please check out. For more interesting air fryer recipes, like, share, comment and subscribe.